Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to hide repost on TikTok. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead over to your profile and look for the repost section. And here, as you can see, to be able to delete a repost, just tap on the repost, wait for it to load. And once it loads, just go ahead and tap on You Reposted, tap on it, and then here, under reposted button, just tap on it and hit on remove repost. Okay. Do the same with the other repost in here. Okay. Again, tap on it, tap on You Reposted, tap on it again, remove repost. And once done, go ahead and check it out and it's all gone. Now, if you're planning to hide all of your reposts right here, for example, you have 1,000 more reposts. Well, if you don't want to remove it one by one, you can go ahead and contact support and they will just happily help you. All right. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.